Hi, I'm Amy Cadora, and like you, I want a healthy home for my family. I also want to help to create a healthy world for their future, and that means taking the Norwex mission to improve quality of life very seriously, and looking into all the ways we can make a difference, including solutions that will help the environment by reducing plastic waste. Now, just to give you an idea of the scope of the problem, globally, humans buy 1 million plastic bottles per minute. 91% of all plastic is not recycled. Global plastic production is over 270 million metric tons annually, which has resulted in almost 100 tons of coastal plastic waste. This growing problem presents an enormous challenge to our oceans, our waterways, landfills, and even human health. Norwex approaches the complex problem of plastic pollution in a variety of ways. We're finding solutions by reducing the amount of plastic we use, recycling all the plastic that we can, and looking for resources that are focused on reducing plastic waste, especially in our oceans and coastal areas. Now, one resource that tackles all of these problems is a partner for our Norwex packaging, Ocean-Bound Plastic. This supplier goes to coastal areas and partners with the people there to collect plastic before it gets into the ocean. Here's a view of how important that process is. A video from Haiti following a storm that literally washed plastic debris through the streets. You can imagine what a difference it makes to partner with local communities to collect and eventually repurpose that plastic. Ocean-Bound Plastic takes the plastic waste, converts it to resin, and then manufactures bottles made from that resin. They're completely safe, passing strict FDA requirements. You'll see the ocean-bound symbol on more and more of our household products this year. Now, late last year, there were news reports about a whale washing onto shore with 220 pounds of plastic in its stomach. We hear stories like this all the time. Helping restore health to wildlife is just one of the goals of another program that Norwex supports, the Sea Bin Project. There are 860 sea bins in operation around the world. Water is sucked from the surface and passes through a catch bag inside the sea bin. Plastic debris ranging from 5-liter bottles to microplastics are trapped, and the filtered water is pumped back into the sea. Each sea bin catches an estimated 1.4 tons per year of floating debris, including almost 12,000 plastic bottles and 90,000 shopping bags. Norwex is so proud to sponsor 10 sea bins close to our headquarters in Europe to remove so many forms of plastic from our seas. And along with working to reduce plastic in the ocean, we also have a robust plastic recycling program that includes recycling microfiber that's returned by consultants and their customers at the end of its life. Norwex partners with a company that converts this waste into renewable energy. Our partner processes enough waste annually to power 1 million homes, and they also recover approximately 600,000 tons of metal, enough to build nearly 6 Golden Gate bridges. Norwex works to reuse plastic, to capture plastic waste, and also reduce the use of plastic with long-lasting solutions that replace so many items that are used a short time and then thrown away. Our microfiber cloths make an amazing impact in reducing plastic waste from cleaning, product packaging, and also paper towels. One cloth takes care of so many tasks for years, and at the end of its life, it can be converted into energy. Now, there's one more important part of our sustainability cycle, and it's raising awareness about plastic waste and solutions to make it less of a burden for future generations. Norwex partnered with the nonprofit Washed Ashore to create a leaping salmon sculpture completely from plastic waste collected from beaches. Our Nora can be seen at public places around the country, raising awareness about plastic waste. And because when people know more, they can do more, Norwex consultants are an incredible resource for knowledge, ideas, and solutions to reduce plastic and create a healthy home. Norwex is your partner to search for and find how to live the cleanest life and to share what you learn with others. Now, I'll be back in a few minutes with more about how Norwex delivers on our promise of clean. Together, we can all advocate for small changes that will add up to more and more healthy homes and a healthier planet too.